Is he just dancing his way into everyone's heart? Is that like the game plan here? Oh my god. She, she's losing her mind.
What are we even watching?
Okay, birds for some reason.
Met her on the way to Chicago, where she was all alone. Those eyes or asked her for a name. She smiled and looked at me.
I know, right?
That a woman like that was real into me.
The fuck is that face? Not ugly, just not as beautiful.
Never would have thought she was living like her words seemed so sincere. When I held her near, she would tell me how she feels.
He got outswaggered.
It felt so real to me. This girl, she had to be an angel sent from heaven just for me. She said she didn't have no man. She loved me. She told me she was all alone. Said don't have no man. She said.
Is he just dancing his way into everyone's heart? Is that like the game plan here? Oh my god. Dance birds. What the frick? Okay. Okay, so this is the More Birds for Some Reason, which is the sequel to it.
She said night, she dances to his needs. She dances till he feels just right until he falls asleep.
She's losing her mind.
She dances at the crack of dawn and quickly cooks his food. She can't be late, can't take too long. The kids must get to school. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. Stay to the rhythm. She works so hard just to make her way for a man who just don't appreciate. And she takes her love in vain. She could
They're fighting over him so much. Oh my god.
stop, couldn't break his chain. She danced through the night in fear of her life. She danced to a beat of her own. She let out a cry and swallowed her pride. She knew she was needed back home, home, 'cause she's a slave to the rhythm. She's a slave to the rhythm.
Oh my god. He was like, no. Not my bird. Okay guys, then what was the context if not bird be big gay? Because everyone was like, no. This is definitely, how did that, this is just today, major dancing news. Frick. Heated. Eyes. Yeah, this was like, bye. Like, it has to be that the boys was like, bro, it's all about the bros now.
The Dance Bird plushies are finally here, and they're beautiful. Chuck and Charlie. That's their names, by the way. You know,
Chuck and
the best
Charlie.
part, they Velcro together. Like, what? That was really loud.
No, I've actually never watched Footloose.
I got neighbors, dude. Whoops. Anyways, isn't that cool? But they're not here for long. You have less than 19 days. After that, they're gone. They're gone forever. Vaporized, okay? So, hurry. Other cool thing, they come together. So, you don't have to choose like Chuck or Charlie. Okay, I would never make you do that. When you get these dance birds, you get both. 2 plushies for the price of 1, baby. Link in the description. Like, come on.
I don't know why I thought he was more
Like, what?
black than brown, but yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty poggers. Oh, that is hilarious. I can see why it was trending around, that's for sure. I didn't know he had so many others in here, like you're an invincible animator.
In a world of neon lights, till the bunny shines so bright. Clumsy hot flood holds her crown, busting sassy folks she's found. Ears perk up a burp in sight. With a smile she takes the fight. Buns and balls won't break her stride. Carrying